might like look a little more realistic. Otherwise, a good transition, and he would just be walking through the park. You wouldn't know. Um, okay, good. We can live with that. So let's go out of here. And now moving him back would be a little tricky because we've got, we don't have him set in the stage like that. Um, but let's just do it. See how it goes. When I do that, I just go ahead and I start uh, a new version so that if I don't like it, it's easy for me to just go back and to where I was. So let's try this and see what happens, okay? I'm gonna mess up all of his walk cycles and everything. I might not want to do that, but okay, here, select him. And I'm gonna drag him out. Okay. And now when I hit play, he's probably gonna just run out of walk cycles. It's not too bad. The speed's a little off, and his feet slide a little bit when he comes in because of the speed change I made. But it's not horrible. Let's go here. Yeah, I mean, you're hardly going to see his feet as he that scene. Let's look at this full screen and see if we like it. You need to get down here. Okay, so we've got the transform. And this is where he's I think we can adjust his speed in one of these. You got the motion clip, and you adjust the speed in the motion. Okay, so work with the transition curve here, and just pause it. I'll just play with the sum of these and see if we can find one that that makes it look a little more natural. Almost pause and move. Okay, now I'm just not happy with any of these. I'm gonna delete it. I want to see what happens when I delete. Oh well, gosh, there it is. Let's look at that full screen. All right, I just about gave up, but that's it. All I had to do is delete that one transform, and then it stopped having a transition there, period. Explain that. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the tour down memory lane here. All right, so I am going to go ahead and save that. I'm happy with it. Oh, and we're going to export this, and then we'll have 3 different versions of this to work with. Render this video, MP4, da 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 da. Here we go. Okay. And this is park bench with policeman. Go. That was the alternate one. And I'm going to up this to 02, which means that I've worked on it more. Okay, we'll look at the movie really quick, and then after that, we're going to break off. And when we come back, it's going to be CapCut. Yeah. Okay, that'll work. All right, David's on his way to work, walking through the park. Perfect. All right, we're signing into CapCut here. Okay, I love CapCut. It's a great editor, and this is $10 a month for what I do here, and it's just such a value. Can't even begin to tell you. $10 a month, and everything's included. They don't nickel and dime you. Here goes. They have a free version, and it's very generous. And everything that you can't use is well marked. It'll say Pro on it. I'll show you in just a second once it loads up. Okay, so this is going to be episode 3, what we're working on here. And we've created the park bench scene, which is going to go down here on the end, and it's already been built. When it's published, you can see some previews of it. I might let you see a little bit here. This is kind of cool. Let's see if we can look at a little bit of the.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about that. Let's get going. This is going to be fun. I think it's just down here a little ways more.
Oh my, it sure is dark in here, Alex.
It sure is, Amber. I wonder what's going on.
Surprise!
That's just wonderful, everyone. Oh.
Okay, well, you can see a little bit of the camera work that can be done with the Cartoon Animator as well. I didn't show you how to build this scene because it has about 16 characters, 19 I think when you add on the pets, and it takes so much resources of the computer that I can play the movie here, or the rendering of it in the CapCut to you, but it's no way can I show you that in Cartoon Animator. It won't render. It'll crash the system with the recorder recording me doing it. All right, I'm going to just hit play for just a moment. You can see how the close-up works with the camera. And later on, I'll show you some of the camera features of Cartoon Animator. Let's go.
On behalf of Hound Dog News, I'd like to welcome Amber, Alex, and their nephew Jarrod to the team. Maybe we all could go around the room and introduce ourselves and briefly what we do at Hound Dog News. I'll start. I'm Jesse, the show's producer, and I make sure everything is running smoothly and on time. I take my job very seriously, sometimes a bit too serious. Anyway, I'm really glad you're all here. We have an amazing team.
Hi, I'm Leon.
And I'm Kent.
We run the cameras around here. I mostly shoot the outside scenes.
And I mostly shoot inside the studio. But sometimes we team up and work together.
Hello, I'm Nikki. I'm the office manager.
Hi, I'm Kristen.
Okay, so that's enough of that for now. We're gonna escape from that. Now keep in mind, this hasn't been rendered. It's not an MP4 yet. This is through CapCut, and I've got a screen recorder running. And so when I go to full screen here, it's taxing the resources. So Sometimes the lips aren't going to sync as well in that until it's finished. And when it's published on YouTube, you can see the whole episode. So here we go. I don't want to give away too much. So we're going to go in here now, and we're going to put the timeline here and just move forward. I'm going to bring in some of those scenes that we just did. All right, so let's. Okay, so we're done here for now. We've added the scene. You've seen a little sneak peek, and this is basically how it works. I will build the movie. Let's look at this full screen for just a moment. Okay, let's just break in right here.
Thanks so much for it.
Thanks so much, guys. Alex and I really appreciate it.
If I remember right, Mrs. Dee Dee has some of the best cake on planet Earth. Who's ready to have some?
Okay, good. Thanks for watching.